Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Teamgantt for schedule-based projects, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Visit the Teamgantt website. Look for the Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on Sign Up. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, you can choose to sign up using your email address or with Google. If you opt for email, fill in your full name in the first field. Next, enter your email address in the second field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Read through the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. After filling in all required fields, click on the Create Account button. You might receive a confirmation email shortly after registering. Open your email inbox and look for the confirmation message. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This action will redirect you back to the Teamgantt platform. You are now registered and can log into your account. Input your email and password in the login fields. Click on the Login button to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you can start creating your schedule-based projects. Familiarize yourself with the interface to utilize all available features. Explore templates to speed up your project setup process. You're now ready to manage your projects effectively with Teamgantt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.